friends, today we're talking about how to write click-worthy headlines for your blog post. Headlines are important because they are the first thing people see, so you want to make a good impression. Here are a few tips. Be specific. Tell your readers exactly what they can expect from your post. Next is use power words. Words like essential, proven, and guaranteed can grab attention and make your headlines more compelling. Next is to create curiosity. Make your readers wonder what your article has to offer. And lastly, solve a problem. People often turn to the internet for solutions. So if your headline promises to solve a problem, they are more likely to click. By following these steps, you can write headlines that will make people click on your blog post and read your amazing content. And there you have it, my friends. You've now got the insider tips for crafting those click-worthy headlines for your blog post. Remember to be specific, use power words, create curiosity, keep it short, and offer solutions. These strategies will help your content shine and stand out in the crowded online world. Your headline is your blog post's first impression, and we all know how crucial first impressions are. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just getting started, mastering the art of headline writing can be a game changer for captivating your audience and getting those clicks. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thanks for watching how to write click-worthy headlines for blog posts. See you in my next video.